Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the updated process of showing a highlight QR code on Instagram. This feature is a fantastic way to share your highlights with friends and followers effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your feed. Next, navigate to the profile that contains the highlight you want to showcase. You can do this by searching for the username in the search bar, or tapping on their profile if it appears in your feed or stories. Once you're on their profile, look just under their bio section. Here, you'll find the highlights displayed in circular icons. These are collections of their best stories that they've chosen to keep visible. Now, it's time to click and hold on the highlight that interests you. This action will prompt a menu to appear with various options related to that specific highlight. From this menu, select Show QR Code. This option will generate a unique QR code for that highlight. You'll see the QR code appear on your screen, ready for sharing. If you want to customize it, some options may allow you to change its color or design. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, simply tap on the appropriate option to save or share it. Finally, this QR code can be shared easily. You can send it via messaging apps, post it on social media, or even print it out for physical distribution. When someone scans this QR code using their Instagram app, they will be directed straight to the highlight you chose. And there you have it. You now know how to show a highlight QR code on Instagram with just a few simple steps. This feature not only enhances engagement, but also makes sharing memories and moments more accessible than ever. Happy sharing.